Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So in this video, I'd like to show you two different ways of turning on the automatic system updates. Basically, the first one is more user-friendly because it appears in the regular settings. And then the second one requires entering the developer options. And obviously, I'll show you the full path. So let's start with the easier one. We have to open the settings. And here in this left section, simply scroll down to the very bottom and find the option which is called Software Update. Let's tap. Then we have to take a look at this option Auto Download, and as you can see in my case it is set for never, but what I highly recommend to do is to tap on using Wi-Fi only. So your device, whilst connected with the Wi-Fi, it will try to find the new updates and then automatically download it. The second way is more professional, I would say. Basically, you will be able to, or your device will be able to download the updates over the night and install them. Probably you won't even notice. So in this left section, we have to scroll all the way down to find About Tablet. And then let's go to Software Information and localize the number called build number. Then let's keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode and confirm it by tapping on OK. Alright, now let's go back to this left section and scroll all the way down to find developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down a little bit to find the option which is called Auto Update System, and then simply tap on the switcher to turn it on. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again, and turn off developer options just by tapping on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.